Hello everyone! Did you ever wanted to bring to life your Revit models? Today I will share step by step how you can create an walkthrough in Autodesk Revit 2025. We will uncover all the settings that you need to know in order to have a beautiful Revit walkthrough. This is an example walkthrough that I created to display, and at the end of the video I will post the complete walkthrough in a better rendering setting. So let's start our tutorial. So first thing that we need to create a walkthrough is to go to the upper ribbon next to the 3D view, press on the arrow drop down menu, select walkthrough. We can see that perspective is checked. We have the scale, which is the same as the view scale. We have an offset from the level. I have only 2 levels in my project, and I can place the path on which level I want. So here we start at level 1. I will select an offset of 2 meters. But this is not crucial because we can easily change it. So on my time, because I pressed escape, we can start to draw our path. It's not so important now where our path goes, because we can easily adjust it in the final stage. So I think it's enough. And press finish. I will escape, and I see that my walkthrough disappeared, but appeared in the project browser. So here one is my first one that I show in the start of the video. The second one is the one that I created. So here's the first frame. I will switch off the point cloud because I created the project from point clouds. So I switch off and I turn off the window of walkthrough first one. Now press WT for window style, because we need to see both 3D and walkthrough next to each other. Select the crop of the walkthrough, select edit, and a little modify walkthrough menu appears. So we can see that we have frame control. We can control them by click on arrows, and also we have active camera here, path, add keyframe, remove keyframe, and the frame number. So we by default have 300 frames, but we can increase this or decrease. So let's switch back to frame number 1. We can enter the value 1, or we can switch to the 3D, see this little camera icon, and drag it along our path, so the frame number changes. You can navigate as you want. I usually navigate by dragging it around. And this red little dot, you orient the camera where you want to see. Here in the walkthrough, you can increase the crop or decrease, and by pressing the right mouse button, you can adjust the position of camera, but this is different than adjusting the height of the path, which I will show next. So we'll go in each frame, adjust my view. It won't be something fancy, because you can do it as anyone wishes. So I will continue on myself, and then I will return to the video. So now, as my camera is positioned accordingly, I can switch to path and go point by point. Select this blue little dot, lift them up. Oh, the wrong dot. You can see the path. You can either change it along the path, lift it up, down, and as you want. And so on with all the points, as you consider appropriate for your project. So I have a couple more points. It's going through the tower. So the path, it's I think better to adjust it the final stage, or either at the start. Actually, it depends on the project, because I have one project where it was easier for me to adjust first the frames and then the path. So here is the far clip offset. We can see that it's changed. I can also change it graphically or by a value, and I will lift it a little bit up and increase the far clip offset because I don't see the tower top. So this is basically all about the position of the walkthrough. Let's switch back to the frame number 1, and I will show one more thing. You can delete whatever frame you don't want. You can add a keyframe, so here is added, or you can remove it. I remove. So this is all. Now select the crop view, edit, press play to see what we created. Yeah, we can see around our tower, lifting up through the tower. Yeah, more lifting and the top of the tower. So guys, my passion stands in transforming the old plans, scan PDF, CAD files, also scan to BIM. And if you need a BIM model created in Revit, you can contact me. You can find me on LinkedIn or by email, and also you can support me on Patreon, because by sharing my knowledge and creating this video, it takes a lot of effort from my side, and I truly appreciate if you can support me. Thank you, and let's continue with my tutorial. So we created the walkthrough. Now we have one more setting to change. This is the walkthrough frames number. Here we can increase it to increase the length of the video or decrease. We have also the speed, which is uniform. We have this accelerated and speed per second. It's basically how much distance we will cover in 1 second. For example, now accelerated it's to 1, and I will change to 0.5. It will decrease in half, but pay attention that the next one speeds increase. So you need to understand where you want to go slower, where you want to go faster. You need to pick which element you want to showcase more and which elements you want to showcase less. Press apply. Okay, now play. So it's going faster. Yeah, so So we can see because the number of frames decreased, and I changed the accelerator, apply. Let's try one more time, and now it's going slower. Now fast, and the top. One more setting to change before we are going to export is here the sun setting, because we have the shadows. We need to change this to still, the sun to be in one position. Apply, OK, and we can now export. So to export it, go to File, Export, Images, Walkthrough. Either export all the video or just some frames from it. Pick the style you want to export. I will export to realistic, but not as a video, but as images, because it's too intensive. I tried it on multiple computers and it always crashes. So the process begins, but I will cancel it because I already have it. Yes. So this is the tutorial. Hope you enjoyed and learned something new. Please press like, share, write something in the comments, and see you in the next video. Bye bye. So I was unable to add the video of finished walkthrough in this video. I will upload it as a separate video on YouTube.